In February 1899, the entire country was locked into one of the harshest Arctic outbreaks ever recorded. Coastal Virginia and North Carolina were right in the middle of it. For nearly 2 weeks, bitter, record-setting cold plunged southward. Ice was even reported flowing out of the Mississippi River into the Gulf. And here in Hampton Roads, temperatures plunged to levels that still stand out more than a century later. And right in the heart of that deep freeze came one of the strongest winter storms our region has ever seen. The Great Blizzard, also known as the St. Valentine's Day Blizzard of 1899, from February 11th through the 13th. As a matter of fact, Norfolk picked up 13.5 inches of snow, which still ranks as the 5th highest snowfall total in recorded history. Even today, that would shut down the region, but in 1899, with minimal snow removal and far fewer resources, travel and transportation would have nearly stopped. And the other side of the story is the cold. Norfolk dropped to 3 degrees. Hampton hit 4 and Newport News got down to 3. Cape Henry fell to 5 degrees, and even the Outer Banks froze, with Cape Hatteras dropping down to 12 degrees. And Wilmington, North Carolina saw 5 inches of snow, a rare coastal storm for eastern North Carolina.